Kwiatkowski.
Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमल में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है मेंस 65 यानी पुरुषों के 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं यूक्रेन मूल के आंद्रे कावितोव्स्की। Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमल में देवियों सज्जनों पुरुषों के इस 52 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए अब आ रहे हैं पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से उनके आइकॉन प्लेयर और टीम कैप्टन बजरंग पूनिया।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the deciding bout between Delhi Sultans and Stuti Punjab Royals. Now we have to see, there are some interesting facts that we're going to share. Welcome back. This is Dawat Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 and its 4th edition is co-powered by Amul. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time where it gets back again this day to the last bout. On your screens you can see representing Stuti Punjab Royals is their icon player and the team captain Bajrang Punia, and he looked a little disappointed when Delhi Sultans won the toss, and you could see that. But then again, I mean, it looks like these are the prayer times for the co-owners of Stuti Punjab Royals, and right now we have to see what happens, what is in store. There is a certain game plan, Sunil, you were telling me about Bajrang Punia, if you want to share with us.
In fact, it is a classic tussle between the India as well as the Russian style of attack.
And yes, Bajrang Punia going for the attack. Would it be possible for him to convert it into a win? That is what we get to see. And he went straight for the legs.
Now, this is the new thing that what PWL has done to the Indian wrestlers.
Yeah.
That they straight away charge in for the attack, look for the point, and then they retreat.
Yes, of course, it's very attacking Bajrang Punia as of now to find the chink in the armor of the opponent, Delhi Sultans' Andrei Kwiatkowski. Andrei Kwiatkowski is quite a decorated player because he's been into the European Championship, he's been in the Rio Olympics, World Championship 2018, he was there, but he could not score a medal. On the other hand, our icon player, Bajrang Punia, he started with under 23 World Championship in 2017. He had a silver medal. Commonwealth Games 2017, he won a gold medal. Then 2018 Commonwealth Games, a gold medal. 2018 Asian Games, gold medal. And 2018 World Championship, silver medal.
In fact, the last two medals were the most and the biggest medals any Indian could
As of
aspire.
now, Andrei Kwiatkowski going for it. Sorry, because those medals do not matter right now. This last bout matters. I am so sorry. But then again, this is what the attack was initiated by Kwiatkowski. But Bajrang Punia looks like he is going for it. And he has drawn the first blood.
Again, as I said, Bajrang is a classic, is a complete wrestler. He's got his moves, he's got his attacking power, stamina, and again, he's learned a lot of new armory in his skill in the past 6 months.
Back to the mat one more time. Bajrang Punia and Andrei Kwiatkowski neck and neck. Bajrang Punia has a 2-point advantage with that attack that he converted into points. One more time. We can see Bajrang Punia going again for the kill, but Andrei Kwiatkowski wanted to attack. Instead, Bajrang Punia has attacked. Bajrang Punia has one more time attacked and trying to get Andrei Kwiatkowski off balance, but he could not. So since not any of the 3 limbs touched the ground or the 4 limbs touched the ground. That is the reason why no points were converted. Andrei Kwiatkowski still standing tall in the middle, and right now he's gone defensive because he is moving away from Bajrang Punia. What a brilliance Bajrang Punia is doing. He wanted to attack, get out, get some space, get into Bajrang Punia's armor and find the chink. He could not. Now once again, Bajrang Punia is attacking. We can see he's going back into Andrei Kwiatkowski. What a brilliance we get to see. This is the last bout, which comes down to the last bout. One more time, Andrei Kwiatkowski trying to attack Bajrang Punia, but Bajrang Punia has kept his legs away. And now is the time the referee rings the bell, and that is the last bout and the first round over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what's the excitement of Davar Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4. Right. Welcome back after the break. Ladies and gentlemen, it is exciting time right here in Ludhiana. Davar Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul, has the last bout. And this is the last deciding bout between Delhi Sultans and Punjab Royals. Who is going to win the match day number 7 and get closer to semi-finals? The bell rings right now. Andrei Kwiatkowski has been instructed to go in for the attack, not keep any hold bar, or both of the wrestlers are trying to attack each other. This is the brilliance of this wrestling. Sunil, tell me, what is going on right now? Bajrang Punia one more time.
Bajrang Punia, as you could see, is on a roll. He's taken the left leg of Andrei, and he's trying to also put him down, pin him down. Let's look at him.
What a brilliance! Bajrang Punia goes in, he holds one leg, the other leg, he gives in a toss, and that is the time when he gets another 2-point advantage. Now, with 4 points lead, look at that. This is where he uses his right leg and gets off balance for Kwiatkowski. Kwiatkowski getting automatically into a defensive fetal position.
In fact, Bajrang Punia has broken the myth and shattered the glass that Rushids are a better set of wrestlers. What he's done, Bajrang, is trying the traditional Indian techniques and practices in Belarus and Ukraine, and has learned certainly new things. He's upskilled himself in the past 6 months, and you could see it on the mat right now.
Let me repeat one more time. He is proficient in his Indian style of wrestling. Bajrang Punia travels to the European Union, Russian Union, and one of the states. He goes there and listens and hears the experts and learns their styles.
In fact, he's hired a personal coach, Mrs. Shako, and he's a Georgian. And he goes and practices in Georgia. In fact, before coming here, he was in Georgia training hard to compete with these Russians and make a mark for himself. Previous to that, he was in Belarus. So it's all showing right now on the mat.
This is the brilliance of the international exposure that Pro Wrestling League has brought. This is where they understand that what is the importance of other fighting styles. With a 5-point advantage, with only 1 minute 10 seconds remaining in this bout, going for the attack is Kwiatkowski. He could not do that attack. He had the direction, but he could not. Bajrang Punia does it again.
In fact, apart from the attack, he went for the evasive. Bajrang was brilliant, not only giving his leg, but also catching him by his waist and pulling him down on the mat. Look at this. That's the evasive action. That took like a split of a second.
Being present there while you're fighting is all about coordination, strength, agility, and of course presence of mind. This is what Bajrang Punia showed in this action replay. One more time, we are towards just about 35 seconds of play, and right now Bajrang Punia totally in control with a 7-point lead, bringing his team closer on the 7th day. With these 7 points, is he going to register the 7-day win? One more time, Bajrang Punia attacks. What a brilliant attack! He's gotten Kwiatkowski again off balance. This is where I think he's found the code of access to Andrei Kwiatkowski's armor. All he's doing is press those right buttons, and there you go. He finds that chink. Look at that one more time. He had the left leg, and then again he saw that he's off balance. So Bajrang Punia taking that advantage and scoring another point, 2 points, and he's at 9, and 9 is a lot lucky for a lot of wrestlers, I believe.
What a brilliant match. This is historic. Bajrang in his true colors.
Ladies and gentlemen, history being created one more time by Bajrang Punia in this last bout, registering a win for his team. Stuti Punjab Royals. The team in the dugout is totally livid and out of control, as you can see. Dawat Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul, has celebration time.
मतलब पंगा